Dr. Bug here. Today we're talking bugs. Are you confused? Well, yes and no. Our videos talk a lot about insects, but today we are diving into the world of true bugs. A long time ago, the word boog was used to describe someone creepy or annoying, like a hobgoblin or a boogeyman. Sometime later, people started to use the word boog for bed bugs, and let's be honest, they are pretty annoying. Fast forward to the 1700s, when scientist Carl Linnaeus helped create a system for naming all living things. He grouped bedbugs together with similar insects, and that group came to be known as the true bugs. As time went on, people used the word bug for all kinds of insects, mostly because insects were seen as pests. Even today, bug often means something annoying, like when you tell your brother or sister, "Go away, you're bugging me." Now, here's where things get interesting. All true bugs are insects, but not all insects are true bugs. They all belong to the same kingdom, Animalia, phylum, Arthropoda, and class Insecta. But when we get to order, they split. The class Insecta is the big group for many different orders or subgroups. The true bugs have their own special order within Insecta called Hemiptera. Here are 4 of the other big Insecta orders that you will recognize. Coleoptera are the beetles, Lepidoptera are the butterflies and moths, Diptera the flies, Hymenoptera the bees. Bugs in the order Hemiptera share some special traits, and this is what sets them apart from the other insects. Piercing, sucking mouth parts, Hemielytra wings, and incomplete metamorphosis. Let's look deeper at each of these traits. Piercing, sucking mouth parts. Instead of chewing, true bugs use their straw-like mouth, called their proboscis, to sip sweet plant juices. Or maybe an insect, sort of an insect smoothie. Next, the Hemielytra wings. Most true bugs have 2 pair of wings. Their forewings, the ones closest to the head, are called Hemielytra. These wings are special because the top half is tough and leathery, while the bottom half is thin, flexible, and see-through. And finally, incomplete metamorphosis. You might remember from our video on insect life cycles that most insects go through complete metamorphosis, beginning with the egg to the larva, the pupa, and finally the adult. True bugs go through incomplete metamorphosis. They look like mini adults when they hatch and grow bigger with each molt until they reach the final adult size. If an insect has these 3 traits, it is a true bug. If not, well, it might be a cool insect, but it's not officially a bug. Lots of insect names might try to fool us. Ladybug, lightning bug, love bugs, mealybug, potato bug, sow bug, pill bugs, June bug, doodle bugs. Just because their name has bug in it does not mean they are true bugs. So even though their names might fool us, we know that true bugs have their own special traits. We know what really makes a true bug. We can tell the difference. As we close out today's video, let's take a look at a few true bugs. These little guys are the true bugs we're talking about. How cool is that? And until next time, see you in the garden.
Ask Dr. Bug originates from the Kids Ask Dr. Bug column, written by Dr. Tamra Reall, horticultural specialist with the University of Missouri Extension. Her column can be found in garden publications, newsletters, and extension websites. Do you have a question for Dr. Bug? Send them to reall@missouri.edu. Put Ask Dr. Bug in the subject and include your name and age. Or ask your questions online at the address listed here.